Hello viewers, welcome once again to a Seminar of Goodwill Online Maths. Today I will be discussing division law of indices. Remember, in my previous video I told you that indices or index is the power or exponent to which a constant or a variable is raised. It can also be seen as how many times a number is multiplied. And I discussed multiplication of indices. Today, I'll be going into division law of indices. For example, if we have a number or a base in two bases that are equal or equal bases, and they are raised to a certain power, the division law, for example, if I have x raised to power a divided by x raised to power b, this is equals to x raised to power a minus b. Let's practicalize this here. For example, I have y raised to power 5 divided by y raised to power 3. So this can be simply said that since we said that an indices is just how many times a number or a variable is multiplied. Since this is y raised to power 5, the power is 5. That means that my y is multiplied 5 times. So I can say that I have my y times my y times my y times my y. This is how many y's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have represented my what? Y raised to power 5. Then we have another one, y raised to power 3. This is divided by y raised to power 3. So I can say that my y times my y times my y. This has represented this question we have on the board. So at this point, we use our simple way to cancel out y, cancel out. This divide this, this divide this. This divide this, this divide this. How many y is remaining? I can say that I have y times y. And these are 1, 1, 1. And any number multiplied by 1 still remains the number. So at the end, you can see I have y times y is y squared. So you can see that this particular question can be simplified to be like this. If you want to observe the law, you can see we have y raised to power 5 divided by y raised to power 2. So since they have equal bases y and y, I can say y raised to power, their powers are 5 and what? 3, which is 5 minus 3. So at the end, you can see I have 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. At the end, I have y raised to power 2. So whenever you are told to divide two numbers raised to a certain power and their bases are equal, simply subtract their individual powers respectively. So let's take another example. I have 13 raised to power 6 divided by 13 raised to power 5. So this can be seen as, here we have, how many 13 do we have here? We have 6 13s. So I have 13 times 13 times 13 times 13 times 13 times 13. How many 13s do I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divided by, this is 13 raised to power 5. I have 13 times 13 times 13 times 13 times 13. How many 13s do I have here? 5. So our usual way of dividing, 13 will cancel 13, 13, 13. This divide this, 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 this divide this. At the end, you can see I have 113. So I have 13 as the what? Answer. This can be also seen as let's say 13 raised to power 6 divided by 13 raised to power 5. The law will make it easier for us and less stressful. So I can have 13 raised to power 6 minus 5. So at the end, I'm having 13 raised to power 1. And any number raised to power 1 is that particular number. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Do not fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel, A Seminar of Goodwill Online Maths, and follow me on Facebook, A Seminar of Goodwill Maths Class. Thank you.